Automating your side hustle with AI is no longer a futuristic dream, it's a reality in 2025. Whether you're running an online store, creating digital content, or managing clients, AI tools can now handle everything from writing and designing to marketing and customer service. You don't need a team, coding skills, or long hours to scale your business. We'll walk you through exactly how to automate your entire side hustle using AI, step by step, so we can save time, boost productivity, and build income streams that practically run themselves. Today we will talk about how to automate your entire side hustle with AI tools. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. In the era of AI dominance in 2025, side hustles are no longer built solely on late nights, manual labor, and time-consuming workflows. Today, with the right AI tools, you can automate nearly every part of your side hustle. From idea generation and content creation to customer service, social media marketing, and sales. Whether you're running a dropshipping store, building a personal brand, managing affiliate sites, or offering digital products or freelance services, artificial intelligence can dramatically increase your productivity, reduce human error, and allow you to scale without burning out. We'll break down how you can completely automate your side hustle with AI, from planning and creation to distribution and optimization, so you can spend more time focusing on growth or even start multiple income streams in parallel. Step 1. Choose a scalable, automation-friendly side hustle. Before diving into automation, it's crucial to select a side hustle that can be easily systemized and scaled with AI. Ideal candidates include dropshipping or print-on-demand stores, faceless YouTube channels, affiliate marketing blogs, digital products, ebooks, Notion templates, etc., newsletter or niche content sites, freelance agencies, automated with client portals, online courses or info products, social media growth services, white label. The key here is to pick a hustle where content, marketing, customer interaction, or production can be systematized with minimal manual intervention. Step 2. Use AI for ideation and market research. Once your hustle is selected, let AI handle the brainstorming and market research phase. Use ChatGPT to generate business name ideas, product or service ideas, taglines and value propositions, target audience personas, market demand analysis, content angles and hooks. For example, prompt ChatGPT with, "Give me 10 profitable digital product ideas for Gen Z freelancers with catchy titles." Pair this with tools like Trends.co, Exploding Topics, or Google Trends to validate emerging opportunities and customer interests. You can also use AI-powered SEO tools like Ahrefs, Surfer SEO, or Ubersuggest to uncover keyword gaps and opportunities your competitors haven't tapped into. Step 3. Automate content creation with AI writing and design tools. Most side hustles require some form of content, whether it's product descriptions, blog posts, social captions, or email newsletters. Instead of writing or designing manually, leverage AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper for blog posts, product copy, ad headlines, and full-length articles. Copy.ai for marketing copy, e-commerce content, and email campaigns. Notion AI for brainstorming, drafting, and outlining internal documents. Canva Pro with Magic Write and Magic Design for quick design creation with AI-generated templates. Vism or Adobe Firefly for presentations, infographics, and branded visuals. You can even automate workflows like generating social posts from a blog article, turning an outline into a video script, auto-generating images for newsletters or product listings. Combine ChatGPT with Zapier or Make.com to plug AI output directly into platforms like Google Docs, Notion, or Airtable, turning content into a pipeline. Step 4. Build and manage a website or store with AI assistance. Whether you're building a blog, landing page, or full e-commerce store, AI now powers most modern no-code platforms. Some options include Durable.co, an AI website builder that creates a complete business site in 30 seconds. Shopify, with AI plugins like Sidekick or Kit, for setting up automated e-commerce operations. Framer or Wix AI, to design responsive sites with built-in copy and visuals. Webflow plus Jasper, for a more custom site powered by AI-generated text and CMS logic. These tools allow you to describe your business and let the AI generate layouts, design styles, and branded copy. Design styles and branded copy. You can also integrate with Stripe, Zapier, and CRM tools automatically. Step 5. Use AI to create videos, voiceovers, and ads. If your hustle involves any video content, like YouTube, TikTok ads, or product demos, you no longer need to record or edit manually. AI tools now enable complete video production without showing your face or using your voice. Top AI video tools include Victory.ai, turns text into short videos with stock footage and captions. Synthesia, create videos with realistic AI avatars. Runway ML, AI video editing, background removal, and creative effects. Lumen 5, converts blog posts into animated videos. 11 Labs or Murph.ai, for ultra-realistic AI voiceovers. Descript, auto-edits video and removes filler words and background noise. You can also auto-create shorts, reels, or TikToks from long-form videos using Opus Clip or V.io. Step 6. Automate social media posting and growth. Posting content manually across platforms is time-consuming. Instead, use AI to schedule, repurpose, and publish across multiple platforms. Best tools for this are Okoya or Predis.ai, generates and schedules written captions, hashtags, and graphics. Hypefury or Typefully, for automating Twitter/X threads and engagement. Buffer, Later, or Metricool, for scheduling content on Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, and more. Repurpose.io, automatically reposts content across YouTube, TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. Feedive or Postly, AI tools to manage multi-channel campaigns with /B testing. You can even train ChatGPT on your brand voice to keep your content consistent across all platforms using custom GPTs or style guides. Step 7. Automate emails, funnels, and lead gen. Your email list is one of your most powerful assets, and now you can grow and engage it automatically. Use tools like MailerLite or Beehive for automated newsletters and welcome sequences. ConvertKit or System.io to build automated email funnels and sales pipelines. Zapier or Make to connect lead capture forms with your CRM and email platform. Typeform plus GPT to create AI-powered quizzes that feed leads into email campaigns. Chatbase or ManyChat for building chatbots that collect leads and answer FAQs on your site. It also helps generate headlines, segment audiences, and personalize email sequences based on behavior and preferences. Step 8. Use AI for customer support and admin tasks. AI assistants can reduce your support workload dramatically. Tools like Tidio or Intercom with AI bots handle customer inquiries automatically. ChatGPT-powered help desks build knowledge bases or answer tickets with smart replies. Motion or Reclaim automate your calendar and task management. Sandabox or Superhuman use AI to prioritize emails and auto-sort inboxes. Otter.ai or Fireflies.ai for auto-transcribing meetings and turning notes into tasks. This reduces the need for virtual assistants or support staff, letting you run leaner operations. Step 9. Analyze performance with AI analytics and dashboards. Don't waste time pulling data manually. AI dashboards help you track what matters and optimize accordingly. Use Google Looker Studio, Data Studio for customized performance dashboards. Plausible or Fathom Analytics for lightweight, privacy-focused analytics. ChatGPT plus Sheet plugins ask natural language questions about your data. Browse AI or Moncadler for scraping and summarizing web data or competitor info. Predibase or Obviously.ai, no-code machine learning tools that can forecast future performance based on trends. You can set alerts, create goal-based dashboards, and even generate auto-written reports with insights and recommendations. Underscore 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 underscore. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.